Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Dubai is giving us many opportunities to invest and make money. One of the avenue is by investing in Dubai stock market and reap the benefits. As I keep mentioning, Dubai stock market is very positive and it's on a bullish run, so it's very good time to invest in Dubai. In today's video, I will be discussing about DFM Index and some stocks that are looking potential to go higher from here. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and on the notifications so that you get notified whenever I post my videos, so that you don't miss out on any opportunities in the market. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. We know market took a nice bounce from 3280 area. From here we are seeing a strong upside momentum. Also, I had mentioned in my previous analysis, there are good chances that market will hit 3600 very soon as most of the stocks are positive and are in uptrend. So definitely index will be affected and index is also pushing higher. We can see rejection at 3600. This is a minor rejection. Most likely, I think we will cross this coming week. Overall, on daily chart, market is looking very bullish. Immediate support area is at 3515 zone, minus support at 3560. Let's go up to weekly chart and see how the market is performing. This is the higher time frame that is on weekly chart. As we can see, almost all the candles are green here. So I can safely say for the past 1.5 month market is bullish. It have crossed the resistance of 3500 and now we are heading towards the peak that is around 3700. Something to notice here is 3500 previously was resistance. It tried once here, it got rejected, it came down till about 3270. Again it tried, got rejected, and again it came back at the same level. Finally resistance was broken, and after the resistance market have retested this zone. And obviously as we can see, retest was successful. So I think even on weekly chart we can expect it to go higher. Major resistance as I mentioned is 3700. Overall, DFM index is very bullish. Let's check out some stocks. Let's start with EmiratesNBD Bank. We know this is a strong support that is at 12.75. Whenever market comes in this zone, it takes a good bounce, but also at the same time, we know this is resistance that is at 13.75 area. Previously, when it was trying to cross, we saw heavy rejections couple of times. It came down till about 12.40. And from here, we are seeing sideways momentum. Finally, it hit the resistance, got rejected, came down. Well, there are very good chances from here it can push higher. Also, the trend is now positive. We can see it's making higher highs and higher lows. Just in case, if you want to know the targets, slowly and steadily, I think it should first take out 14.90 and then we can expect 15.27 to 15.30 as our targets. But this will be done in slowly and steady form. We are not expecting any strong spikes to the upside. So these were the resistance areas and targets. Just in case if it wants to come down for a retest, we have this trend line that is supporting. Also this horizontal line is acting as support that is at 13.75 area. Overall, EmiratesNBD is looking bullish and positive. It's heavy weighted, so obviously when it moves, DFM index moves along with it, which in turn creates positive scenario for the market and other stocks follow. And then I have Dubai Islamic Bank. Guys, watch out this video till the end. Definitely you will learn something. It will give you some trading ideas and you can select the right stock for coming week. So this is again the daily chart. We know this is the resistance that is 5.65 area. Market tried to cross, it got rejected, but again at the support zone that is 5.50, we are seeing strong bullish momentum. It means bulls are again activated after this consolidation of 3 to 4 days. Now from here, it's ready to take out this resistance and go higher. If you ask me where is the immediate resistance, I can say 5.80. In case if you have entered at lower levels, this should be your target. You can book some of your profits. And then if this trend line that is been following since so long, if you can see from this peak that is from April 2022, it's been following this resistance line. So in case if it breaks this resistance line, more upside momentum is expected. You can see something around 6.10. So this is the time when you start stocking this stock. The moment it breaks out, comes back for a retest, this is your buying opportunity. Or if you are an aggressive trader, wait for a breakout and immediately buy so that you can capture a big momentum. Overall, DIB is also looking positive. Even after they paid out the dividends, price got adjusted and now it's going higher. One of the favorite stock in Dubai financial market is obviously Emaar Properties. I'm on daily chart. We can see it hit 6.15, a small correction, and here we can see the price got adjusted after they paid out dividends. The price took a bounce right from the support area, that is 5.80. If you are following my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning Emaar is in a strong uptrend. Even after the adjustment, most likely it will take a bounce, and exactly this is what has been happening. Gap is now filled, more upside momentum is coming. Catch this one. Slowly and steadily you can expect it to touch 6.50. Overall, Emaar Properties is looking very positive and bullish. And now let's talk about DEWA, very strong and huge company. This is the resistance area, that is 2.50, that it's trying to cross again and again. Unfortunately, it's not able to do so. After they paid out dividends, we can see a huge gap down. Gap is also filled similar like Emaar, but again it's not able to cross the resistance right near the same zone. We are seeing after third attempt it's getting rejected. Last candle is very bearish. Most likely we should see it coming down till about 2.40. Any bounces here should be considered as buying opportunity. Just in case if it comes down to the major support area, that is 2.38, this would be again a buying opportunity. Once it hits the support, obviously it's a buying opportunity. Slowly and steadily you should target 2.50. Why is that? As usual, because this is the resistance area, so you buy at the support and sell at the resistance. This is your profit. Your stop loss should be very minimal, just below the low of this candle. So now you can see your risk is minimal, but your reward is huge. This is a perfect trade setup, and this is how you should do your risk management. Salik is still in a safe zone after hitting all-time high of 3.05. We can see last two candles are a bit bearish. We can see some selling pressure. Fortunately, 3.00 is acting as a support for now. If this does not hold, we can even expect it to come down till about 2.95. This is a major support for now. There are very good chances it can break all-time high and go even higher. As I mentioned, if you are holding Salik, it's looking very positive. Wait for a reversal and then sell your positions. Overall, Salik is also looking positive. Empower is looking bit negative to me. Previously, it was trying to cross 1.80. It got rejected. Found support at 1.65. Again, it tried for the second time. Unfortunately, this time also it could not break the resistance. So we can safely mark this as our resistance point, that is 1.80. Now, most likely what will happen is it can come back to retest the same support area where it took a bounce previously. Well, in this scenario, it will be a buying opportunity. Again, we can buy at the support and sell at the resistance. This should be our target of 1.80. For now, it's in a no trading zone because it's between the range. It can either go up from here or it can even come down. So it's always better to take the trade once it breaks the resistance or when it is at support area. So this stock should be in your stocking list to pull the trigger at the right time. Last week, we saw some massive moves in Deyaar. If you have seen my previous analysis, I had mentioned about early bird entry in Deyaar right at this zone. In case if you have missed it, please do watch that video. As of now, we can see resistance is at 0.650. It have hit the resistance, a small correction, but again bulls are active. 0.620 is acting as a support. Well, if it opens with a small gap up or flat, there are very good chances it can go higher. Strong resistance is at 0.700. Yes, there is minor resistance at 0.675. This should be your target. In case if you're holding, you can offload some of your quantities here and then let your profits run to hit 0.700. Overall, DR is super bullish. Air Arabia is also looking very interesting. After they paid out dividends, price got adjusted. It took a bounce from 2.00 and from here slowly and steadily it's been climbing up. Yes, it have picked up a fresh trend. Strong resistance is at 2.35. In case if you have entered at the bottom areas, this should be your target as 2.35 is major resistance for now. Union Properties is not very strong fundamentally, but technically as of now we can see it's trending higher. After the news, it opened with a huge gap up. Fortunately, it's surviving near 0.250 area, and from here again we are seeing fresh buying momentum. Yes, this is resistance, that is 0.280. In case if you have entered at lower levels, this is a good chance to book some of your profits. Major hurdle is at 0.300. Dubai financial market is also trending. Hit like if you have seen my early bird entry video when I said this is a good chance to enter right at 1.20. If you have entered anywhere after this, obviously you are in profits. Resistance was at 1.45 area. It broke the resistance, came back for a retest. The retest was successful. Obviously, we saw this solid green candle. Unfortunately, next day we saw some selling pressure. Again, the same support is in play, and from here we are seeing fresh buying momentum. Last candle is very bullish. More upside momentum is expected. I think very soon we should see 1.65 as our target. Slowly and steadily we can see upside momentum. This will hit the target. Overall, DFM is looking very positive. Emaar Development is also looking very positive. After they paid out dividends, it opened with a gap down to adjust the prices, but it's surviving at 5.40 area. Last closing is very positive. Also, we can see it have closed above the resistance of 5.55. Slowly and steadily, I think it will touch 6.00. This should be your target. Your stop losses should be just below the low of this candle. Considering risk to reward ratio, I think this is a very good trade and opportunity. So I hope guys today's video was very informative. You have learned something out of it. Please appreciate my efforts. Do not forget to share it with your friends. Smash that like button. Subscribe for regular updates. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.